Hey people, just a quick video on how to get 120Hz on your PlayStation 5. So first what you want to do is head up to the settings here at the top, and then you want to come down to save data and game map settings. Then you want to come down to game presets, and on game presets you want performance mode or resolution mode. You want to select this and you want to select performance mode. So then we can come all the way back out to the main settings page. Then you want to come up to screen and video. Now video output, and you can test what your screen it currently is by selecting video output information. Now you'll see here at the top the resolution and your hertz. Now currently I don't have 120Hz due to having a video recorder plugged into my PS5. However, it should let you know which hertz you currently have. And if you do have a 120Hz TV or monitor, it should let you know here. But if you're not getting 120Hz, even though you have them, you want to come back into the settings and you want to come to resolution here and you want to select the highest resolution, and then you want to come back to the video output information and you want to check that it's changed to 120Hz. So that is how to get 120Hz on your PlayStation 5. Hope you found that video helpful and thanks for watching.